automatically change the lock screen wallpaper when driving mode is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Scroll down the screen. Under change appearance section, tap the lock screen thumbnail. Select the desired lock screen wallpaper. As the example, we will select a wallpaper from the graphical section. Tap done button to save your selection. With this setting, when driving mode is active, your phone will automatically set the selected wallpaper as your lock screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.